Space, an endless void, vast and silent. Or so we once believed. In the vacuum of space, where sound cannot travel, there lies an eerie paradox. The cosmos hums with vibrations. These are not sounds in the traditional sense, but waves, ripples in the fabric of spacetime. Black holes, the enigmatic titans of the universe, are not just voracious consumers of matter and light. They are also creators of sound, not through air, but through immense gravitational forces that ripple spacetime itself. When black holes collide, they generate gravitational waves, disturbances that ripple across the universe, carrying the echoes of cosmic cataclysms. In 2015, humanity heard the universe for the first time. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, detected these ripples. The signal, a faint chirp, the final dance of two black holes merging a billion years ago. This was not sound traveling through air, but space-time itself stretching and compressing, converted into an audible frequency. A fleeting moment of cosmic history, captured and made tangible. Beyond gravitational waves, we have transformed data from stars, planets, and galaxies into sound. This process, called sonification, allows us to listen to space in new and profound ways. These sounds, though derived from electromagnetic waves or particle interactions, help us comprehend the universe's complexity in an entirely new dimension. Listening to space connects us to the cosmos. It reminds us that even in the apparent silence, there is movement, energy, and life, an orchestra of creation playing out on a universal scale. From the haunting hum of black holes to the rhythmic pulse of stars, the universe speaks. All we have to do is listen. The universe is not silent. Are you listening? Thank you for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and share this video for more upcoming coverage of the amazing, wondrous universe we live in.